You will need a screwdriver and a flat trim tool. We will start by locating the rear turn signal light of the vehicle. There are 4 screws and 3 clips that will need to be removed. Use a screwdriver or drill to remove screws. Then use the flat trim tool to pop out the housing and disengage the 3 clips. You will require to align clips upon reinstallation as well as the screw openings. Locate the rear turn signal light. Twist the socket counterclockwise and pull out from the housing. Remove the incandescent light bulb. Hold and press down, then twist socket counterclockwise and pull out. Install the new ALA lighting LED light bulb. And then test it. Insert socket into housing and twist clockwise to lock. Put back tail light assembly and align the clips and screw openings. Snap in the 3 clips and insert screws back in opening. Use screwdriver or drill. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove screws with drill or screwdriver. Using the trim tool, pull out assembly. Locate the rear turn signal light. Release the cable wire from the holding tab. Twist the socket counterclockwise and pull out from the housing. Remove the incandescent light bulb. Hold and press down, then twist socket counterclockwise and pull out. Insert the new ALA lighting LED light bulb and twist clockwise. And then test it. Insert socket into housing and twist clockwise to lock. Next, insert the cable wire back into the holding tab. Next, align the tail light assembly with the clips and screw openings. Snap in the 3 clips and insert screws back in opening. Use screwdriver or drill tool. The new LED bulbs are significantly brighter than the incandescent bulbs. No hyper flashing, no error codes, just amazing brightness.